Hi, how are you? Welcome. And let's get to learning. Okay, so this is part 3, 1.2 grammar table and practice. We're now going to talk about the be verb in past tense, simple past tense. Okay, so this is where the video will go. You have your handout here. Please click and download it for your reference. And also when you're finished completing it, please download the answer sheet and compare your answers so you can review it and make sure you get it right. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look. I think this is the right one. No, that's the wrong one. That's the one with the answers. Let's first start without the answers. Okay, so this is again Unit 1, 1.2 grammar tables and practice. Simple be past tense. Okay, the following is the form for the past tense be verb. We already know it's an irregular verb. So it's I was a happy kid. Nice. So whenever we want to talk about ourselves in the past with be, I was. Wow, this is different because guess what? It's actually the same for all 4 of these. Okay. So it's I was, for example, I was a happy kid. He was at work yesterday. So then the past, right? She was late this morning. It was a boring movie because they watched it in the past. And then we have the change. So we have 4 cases of when it was. And then we change to the plural. So remember, this isn't always thought of as a singular. These things are singular. These things are actually plural. Except with the exception of you can mean one person or you can mean more than one person if you're directing it to people as a group. Okay. So you were nice yesterday. We were late. And then they were good students. Now they are good teachers. And here we see this is the past and this is the present. In the past, they were good students, but now they are good teachers. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and practice. We'll do what we always do. Let's do the first 2 together. And then I would recommend you pause the video, try it all on your own. Okay. And then come back for the answers so you can review your progress. Okay. So number 1, so let's first read the instructions. It says choose the right form of the be verb. Okay. Remember, it's simple past. The youngest girl was the winner of the race, or the youngest girl were the winner of the race. Okay, in this case, we have to take a look at the subject. Is it singular or plural? Right, it's singular, it's one girl. So in this case, we know that it's was. The next one, I was ready for yesterday, or I were ready yesterday. So we go, first of all, just think about this. Is this singular or plural? If it's singular, it goes with was. If it's plural, it goes with we. If you still don't understand, go back to the chart up there, and you know that I goes with was. Okay, so then highlight or underline. Okay, so please complete 3 through 10 on your own. Come back when you're ready for the answers so you can review your work. Okay, so let's go ahead and check your answers and see if you got them correct. So I will read, I'll go ahead and start with number 1, just so you can hear it and get the feel for it. So the number 1 is the youngest girl was the winner of the race. Number 2, I was ready yesterday. Number 3, she was my friend. Number 4, the flowers were yellow yesterday. Now they are brown. Number 5, the flashlight was in the tent, but now I cannot find it. And here we see that we have the present tense here, right? But we're talking about the past here, so it's okay to blend if it makes sense. Number 6, they were friends in the past, but they lost touch with each other. Number 7, oh, no, this is not right. This is not right. I probably just didn't change it. Sorry about that. No color. Wrong. I even reread it too. The answer is we were busy yesterday, not we was, because were is the plural form of the verb. And the next one is plural, right? We is plural, so it has to be we were busy yesterday. Number 8, the toys were, and I also missed that in again. I guess when I copied and pasted, I filled in. The toys were in the basement, but they're not there now. And the next one is the kitchen was small before the renovation, but now it's big after the renovation, right? And the last one is the horses were in the barn yesterday, but now they are in the field. Okay. All right. So that's it. Please review your answers and submit your assignment. Thanks for learning with me.